back here at Atlanta Dragway again. We're going to do some more racing. Looks like first race we're going to be up against a Ford 5.0 four-door pickup truck. One of the newer ones. It's lifted, has big tires on it, relatively stock, so I don't know, it shouldn't be too bad, but we'll see what happens. The temperature is roughly about 98 degrees right now. I need to check the DA. I haven't even looked yet, but it's going to be terrible, so really don't care. Other than that, we're going to do some racing. We're going to use the 75 shot. We're going to try to spray it out of the hole on about 30 PSI in the rear tires. Guys, we dead hooked finally. We dead hooked. Alright, first pass of the night. We dead hooked on 30 pounds of pressure in the rear tires. I don't know, it don't make any sense, but it worked. So we're gonna do it again. First pass, right off the highway. We had about a 5-minute break before they sent us, so it is definitely a hot lap right off the road. And take that off, you guys might be able to hear me better. We ran a 12.9 at 104.91, and we had a 1.78760 foot. So that's definitely better than the 2s we've been getting lately. Like I said, I didn't feel it spin that time. It felt like it pretty much hooked pretty good. So we're gonna run it again and see what we can do. See if we can get it down to. Usually that 75 shot's been able to get us about a 12.7. So we're gonna see if we can get it down a little bit lower on the second pass, guys. So hell yeah. Alright, there's the first time slip. Focus, there we go. As you can see, 12.9, 60 foot, we got down to 1.7 at least this time. So we're going in the right direction. We're gonna see if we can get it down some more, guys. So looks like we're getting paired up next to a SS. I think it's a Cavalier or one of those G5 things or whatever. I believe they're supercharged, but I don't know. I can't see the back of it, but we'll see what happens. It looks like it might be a little quick. And also, guys, in the front view camera, you should see our next race that's going to be coming up. I called out this red Ford Lightning, SVT Lighting truck for the next race. He's pulleyed, he's tuned, some bolt-ons, so that should be a really good race. I used to own one of those trucks, and they're fast, so I'm looking forward to that one. a whooping on him. And guys, we dead hooked so hard, I think both front tires literally came off the ground. That felt so weird. I've never had that happen. That was awesome. That's all I'm gonna say. Off the ground. That felt so weird. I've never had that happen. That was awesome. That's all I'm gonna say. Holy moly, guys. I am, if you can't tell, I am freaking, I'm excited. That was probably the best dead hook we've ever had. I hope the time shows it. Here we go. Oh, still a little off. We ran a 12.8 that time. The 60 did go down a little bit. We was 1.735. We had a little bit higher of a 1.7 last time. But damn, I'm telling you, it hooked hard. I have felt the left tire break the ground before when we were getting the 1.6 60s. But this time, I swear, both of them felt like it came off. It was, that was pretty awesome. It definitely wasn't by much, but maybe this much, whatever. I could feel the shocks fully extend and bottom out. And when everything settled back down, you could feel it kind of come back down and settle. It was a weird feeling, but it was badass. All I can say right now is we're hooking up at least. So I think as the temperature goes down, the sun drops, we're going to get a little faster, hopefully. We might add a little bit more nitrous. We might go up to 100 shot and try to spray it out of the hole. See what happens. Right now it's hooking up, that's for sure. So we're going to wait on this Lightning and run him next. So wish me luck. All right, here we go, guys. We're going to race that Lightning now. Oh, looks like someone broke down. We're gonna be broke. Alright, they might let us go here in a minute. The Mustang in front of me just broke some wheel studs or something on the launch, so that was awesome. we still beat the Lightning. We chased his ass down and got him. Man, we did a hell of a burnout. Alright, so that run we kind of got screwed on, guys. We beat the Lightning, we chased him down, so that's awesome. That was pretty fun, chasing down that Lightning and passing him at the end of the track. But so the Mustang that was in front of us broke something on the launch. He had some bolts fly out from under the car, and so they pushed him back, which meant I had to back up, and they made me back through the water box with my front tires. So I got water all over the front tires, and when they got him out of the way, then I had to pull back up through the water again. So I had double the water on the front tires, and we was sitting there probably at the water box for about 5 minutes, waiting for him to get that car out of the way and then pick up the loose parts at the starting line. And then they finally let me do a burnout and go. But I'm pretty sure we just spread water everywhere because of how many times we had to go back and forth through the water box. And that killed us on the launch. We blew the tires to smithereens. I'm pretty sure I was sideways both ways through the 60 foot. So I didn't let off. We pretty much hammered it through and just waited for it to bite. When it did bite, luckily we had enough power, enough nitrous that we chased down that Lightning and we passed them before the finish line. So that was badass. But should have been better, but hey, I'll take it. It was fun. So yeah, here's our burnout pass with all the water. As you can see, 13.8, guys. We had a 2.2 60 foot. The Lightning ran a 14 something, I think. Yeah, 14.2. But we still managed to come back and pass that Lightning towards the end of the track. So that was cool. As always, stay safe out there, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.